Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Alerts for brand monitoring SEO leads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Alerts for brand monitoring SEO leads, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Alerts website at google.com/alerts. You will need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you are signed in, locate the search box at the top of the page. Enter your brand name or relevant keywords that you want to monitor. Use quotation marks around your brand name for precise results. After entering your keywords, click on the Show Options link below the search box. Here, you can customize your alert settings based on your preferences. Choose how often you would like to receive alerts, as it happens, once a day, or once a week. Select the sources for your alerts, such as news, blogs, or discussions. Determine the language and region that are most relevant to your brand. Then, choose how many results you want to receive, all results or only the best. Finally, enter the email address where you want to receive your alerts. Once you have configured all options, click the Create Alert button. Your Google Alert is now set up and authenticated for monitoring brand mentions. You can always return to the Google Alerts page to manage or modify your alerts as needed. To verify that your alerts are working, monitor your email for notifications based on your settings. With this setup, you'll be able to keep track of SEO leads linked to your brand effectively. Regularly review the alerts to identify opportunities and trends relevant to your business. Engage with the content you receive in your alerts to enhance your brand's online presence. Consistent monitoring can lead to better insights and improved SEO strategies over time. Follow these steps, and you'll effectively use Google Alerts for SEO brand monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.